Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to SSH into a server from a Windows machine. As you can see, this is a Red Hat Linux machine. You can see the IP address of this machine is 192.168.29.188. You can also see SSH service is running on this machine. Now if you want to remotely log into this machine from Windows, you need PuTTY software. Okay, so you can go to the website and search for PuTTY free software. You can see PuTTY is a free and open source terminal emulator for Windows, Unix and Mac platform. Okay, so you can just go to putty.org and from here you can download this. Okay, so you can download any of this. So I have already downloaded this. Now I need to open this PuTTY software inside my Windows machine. I search PuTTY here, open, then type here the IP address of Linux machine, that is SSH server machine, and then port number 22 by default. Click on open. Then it's asking for login. Let me zoom it. Okay, so that you can see how I log in. Okay, so here it's asking for login name. Type login name root and the password for the root here of the Linux machine. Did that and done. Now I'm going to log into a Linux machine, the SSH server from Windows. In this way, you can learn how to SSH into a server from a Windows machine. And you can see the remote machine IP address, the client IP address is 192.168.29.227. This is Windows IP, which is logging to the Linux server through SSH remotely with the help of PuTTY software. Thank you. Thank you for watching.